In memory of over 10,
over 40 protesters, 40. On a circle.
in memory of over 40 protesters who have been killed across the country in the course of the past 9 days.
Yeah, that's my life.
We light this candle
In honor of Sheriff.
to honor them. If we know their names, let us start calling their names.
In the struggle, though not connected, but in the struggle.
We stand here
I light this candle.
to light this candle.
Light the candle.
Lighting this candle. We honor them and we swear in their memory that we shall never abandon this struggle. We vow in their memory that we shall never relent in this struggle. The struggle to end bad governance has come to stay. Even after tomorrow, it shall go on. So what do we say? 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 And bad governance.
It's return for atrocity.
Things are born like the way this man is born.
I remember more. Those who are students, they can no more afford school fees. Those who are farmers, they are unable to go to farms anymore because of insecurity. Our traders are not able to survive because nobody is buying their commodities anymore. Workers are living in penury because the minimum wage, including the new one, cannot take them home. This struggle is not about tribes. This struggle is not about religion. This struggle is for all of us who are united by a common condition of hunger and hardship. And the struggle is not taking place in Lagos alone. It is taking place across the entire country. Today is day 9 of this 10 days struggle. What we are here to do today is to mourn our brothers and our sisters who have been killed across the country, especially in the north, by the police and other security agencies, acting under the orders of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We are here to say that Tinubu's hands are filled with blood. We are here to say that we hold President Tinubu responsible for the killings of over 40 protesters across the country. Many of these protesters were killed not because they were violent, but because they were demonstrating their right to peaceful assembly against the condition of hunger and hardship that is going on in this country. We are here to show solidarity with them, to say we stand by them, to say we demand justice for their killings, to demand the immediate sack of the Inspector General of Police for killing Nigerians across the country, to also demand that all of our demands must be met, to also demand that the hundreds of those who have been arrested and have been detained across the country over the past 9 days, they must be released unconditionally and forthwith. One of them is the national coordinator of the Youth Right Campaign, Comrade Adaramoye Michael Lenny, who was abducted in his home at 2 a.m. on Sunday night. Up till now, the DSS and other security agencies are denying that they were the ones that arrested him. Protesters, igi awo pa wọ́n, igi awo pa wọ́n, igi awo greatly compensated, and all All those who are responsible for those killings must be arrested and tried. We are calling for a democratic public probe into the killings and the clampdown across the country in order to unravel those who are responsible. Officer, oh la lẹ́dá, oh la lẹ́dá, ẹ̀yin tí ẹ pa protester, ẹ jẹ́ ó dàgbà o, oh la lẹ́dá. Ọmọ yín máa kú, ọmọ yín máa kú, aya yín máa kú, aya yín máa kú, ẹ̀yin tí ẹ pa protester, ẹ jẹ́ ó dàgbà o. Bóyá kí ló pàná o? Omi àjàlolo kí ló pàná o? Omi àjàlolo kí ló pàná o?
No máa lọ́wájú, no máa lọ́wájú.
Show democracy. Show democracy. Democracy. Show democracy. Show democracy. Democracy, show democracy, every para, show democracy, democracy, show the source of our problem. They are the source of our problem. They are the source of our problem. They are the source solve our problem. They must go, they must go, they must go, they must go. They must go, 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 they must go. Ṣọ́ọ̀bù máa mú gbogbo wa. Òyìnbó búyà, òyìnbó bàtà, ojú mi fọlá bí. Ọlọ́run ṣọ́ọ̀bù máa mú gbogbo. Kí ló yí? Ọlọ́run ṣọ́ọ̀bù máa mú wa. Ọlọ́run ṣọ́ọ̀bù máa mú gbogbo wa. In the struggle for our birth, there is Africa, ìṣòlótò òye kábínú, òye kábínú, òye kábínú, òye kábínú, òye kábínú. They must go, 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 they must go. Ọlọ́run ṣẹ́gun máa mú kúrò wá. 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 Àdínàláyé. When I travel, when I come back, they come tell me, say, oh, my share, Kilabasha, Abinalaye, challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you, another.
Wake up, Nigeria! Say no to bad presidents! Wake up, Nigerians! Say no to bad government! Say no to bad government!
And bad governance in Nigeria. Inflation rate is now 34%. And bad governance in Nigeria. Dollar to naira 1,600.